Today I'm going to show you my traveling art kit that I put together for my watercolors. I don't even know what this is. I just picked it up at a secondhand store and it's perfect to take with me. This is just a pencil case that I keep my brushes in. I only take with me a couple different brushes, a flat brush, a medium round brush, and a liner brush. I usually have some kind of a pen. This is a Micron, just a regular pen. And I have a palette. This is just a cheap palette and it works great for mixing my colors on the go. I also have a couple pieces of watercolor paper in here, so that zips closed, keeps my brushes in there. I threw this in. I don't personally use this for my traveling kit, but for if you have kids, this is a great option. But then I took the same palette and I made my own watercolor palette. So this is made out of half pans and full pans, and I put Daniel Smith and Holbein and what's the other one? Anyway, I put those in here and let them dry. And on the front, I have the name of them, some of them, not all of them. And it's not perfect, but I just filled this up and made my swatch card and put some paints in there. And that's what I take with me when I'm traveling, either this one or this one. This is just a little tin that you get a protractor in. I did the same thing. These are, I put magnets on the back, and as you see, they don't stay really well. I guess I need to glue them again, but they just stick in there and they can be moved around. And I did the same thing. I make a swatch card, put the name of it on there, and this works great. I just use this for my palette, mixing the paint right here, or on my palette that I bring with me. So I love these colors, so that's the ones I use. It's a very limited palette, but it's works great for going out in the bush or out at the park. And I threw this in here. It's just a small sketchbook. This is not watercolor paper, and I don't use this one very much, but you can play around with the different things because it's just nice and small. Now this, I made my own little sketchbook, and this is just made out of watercolor paper, and I sewed them in, and this was a great traveling book that I used when we came to Ohio in 2024 just to visit. And I just tried to sketch every day using my watercolor, different things throughout the trip. And this was when we came to visit Dad and Drew. This is now my property. It's pretty cool. Anyway, so this is my little traveling sketchbook that I made with just cardboard and watercolor paper, and I sewed it all together. And then I have my water container that just is an old pill bottle and paper towels. That is it. That is all you need when you have a little traveling container to take with you. Keep it simple and you'll do it more often.